up, gentlemen? So today I would like to give testosterone, the hormone, an alpha M knuckle bump for being freaking awesome. If you agree, give this video one of these. As dudes, testosterone is like sort of our thing. Now sure, women have a little bit of it, but as men, it is absolutely coursing through our veins and causing all sorts of amazingness to go on with us, including, but not limited to, muscle mass, sex drive, memory, beards, and feeling freaking amazing. Testosterone is awesome, unless, of course, you don't have enough of it. Because when your testosterone takes a nosedive, bad things happen. Sperm count drops, loss of muscle mass, man boobs, being tired and sluggish and just not feeling as incredible as you should. Gentlemen, here's the deal. In an attempt to help you feel incredible like you should today, I'm going over 5 everyday things that are lowering your testosterone. Number 1 is not masturbation, as in like it's not causing your testosterone level to drop. It's not in the top 5, but it is something that we need to talk about. So I've seen a lot of comments, I've heard a lot of people talking about how masturbation actually lowers your testosterone level. If you want to raise your testosterone level, stop masturbating. If you don't want to masturbate, it's cool, right? It's totally personal preference. This video isn't debating the pros and cons of masturbating. It's about testosterone. And from the research that I have seen, the general conclusion by a lot of doctors is that masturbation does not affect your serum testosterone levels, meaning your testosterone doesn't drop the more you have sex or the more you masturbate. So masturbation and sex, not a problem when it comes to your testosterone level, but it is a problem if you can't physically masturbate or have sex due to erectile dysfunction or ED. And erectile dysfunction is one of the signs and symptoms of you having low testosterone levels. But the good news is that while you deal with your testosterone, you can still maintain a happy, healthy sex life if you hit that link down below and go check out today's video sponsor, Roman. Roman is a one-stop shop where licensed U.S. physicians can treat erectile dysfunction online. And if they feel that it's safe and would be helpful, they will ship your treatment directly to your door. Roman, there's no waiting room, there's no face-to-face conversation with your doctor, there's no awkward trip to the pharmacy. It's discreet, it's simple, and you can do everything online. You'll also be able to reach out to a physician in the Roman network whenever you need ongoing care. You can develop a relationship with a physician and adjust your plan over time. There's a link down below, getroman.com/alpha. Go there, complete an online visit, chat with a doctor, and then get authentic medication shipped directly to you in discreet unmarked packages with 2-day free shipping. The online visit is totally free. It's on me if you go through our special link, getroman.com/alpha. Go and deal with your ED today. The next 5 things that we are going to talk about are definitely doing a number on your testosterone level, starting with number 1, bisphenol A, aka PBA. PBA is a chemical that leaches out in plastics into the water when the plastic is heated. This is, from a lot of research that I have done, the number 1 culprit of declining testosterone levels in men. The truth is there's some plastics that are a little bit healthier than other plastics, but at the end of the day, if you're worried about it or concerned, you can always and you should drink out of a metal water bottle. Also, something that I used to do all the time was cook or microwave Tupperware, right? I'd make all my meals for the week, I'd have it in here, I'd bang, pop it in the microwave, heat it up for like 2, 3, 4 minutes. And I started to actually do my research and realized that it was a super bad idea. And so I have switched to preparing and storing my meals in glass containers. You can find these at pretty much any supermarket. The second everyday thing that drops your testosterone level is beer. More specifically, the hops used to make beer has been shown to reduce testosterone levels. The reason is because hops have estrogen-like properties. They're so strong that researchers are starting to use and test hops in the treatment of hot flashes. So women that get all like, whoa, very similar to soy. Soy is a phytoestrogen, which is another thing that guys shouldn't necessarily take if they're wanting to maximize their testosterone, because soy does increase your estrogen level. Third thing that absolutely destroys your testosterone is your shitty diet. There are certain specific foods that actually have been shown to boost your testosterone levels, like eggs and oysters and almonds, not to mention garlic and onions and some other things. I'm actually going to do a video talking about how to naturally boost your testosterone level. But if you're eating a diet that is high in refined, processed foods, fatty, fried, nasty, like just bad, like You all know what a crappy diet, what bad food is, right? I don't need to tell you that. What you do need to know, and just be aware that if you are eating a diet that has a lot of that in it, your testosterone level, bang. The fourth everyday thing that is causing your testosterone levels to plummet is a lack of sleep. Here's the interesting thing. They actually tested and did a study on young dudes, because young dudes have the highest testosterone levels. When you're 20 years old, right? That's like the peak of testosterone. And then as you age, it starts to go down. The study was done on like young dudes. Like the average age was like 24 years old. And what they found is that by reducing the amount they slept after like a week, like testosterone levels started to like go like crazy down. It's all about like the endocrine system, and bottom line is this. So freaking critical that you get incredible sleep every night or most nights, because if you're not, it's totally wreaking havoc on everything. You're not going to feel as good, you're not going to look as good, and your testosterone level, bang! Not to mention you're going to be number 5, all freaking stressed out, which is another thing that absolutely destroys T-level. Stress totally kicks your ass. It kicks your ass in so many ways. And what they found is that when you're like super stressed out, your body releases something called like cortisol. And your cortisol level is up, which is kind of like the stress hormone. And you're all stressed out and freaking out, right? Cortisol levels are all jacked up. And when cortisol is up, it's actually depressing your body's ability to actually produce testosterone. Cortisol sucks. And I will not be giving a knuckle bump to cortisol. I will, however, give one to testosterone for being so freaking incredible. Gentlemen, that's it. 5 everyday things that are definitely causing your testosterone level to be not as amazing as it should and could. And you got to make sure you're keeping an eye on it, because if it starts to go down, you're not going to feel as good, you're not going to look as good, you're not going to be as incredible and as amazing as I know you need to be.